So yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today I'm teaching you how to block all ads on our Windows device or on our PC. So this is how to block all ads. You have the right video. Let's learn how to do this and solve all ad issue here. So first off, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And without wasting much time, go ahead to your Windows and right here on your Windows, search for Control Panel. So I'm going to be searching for Control Panel here. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to log into my control panel. So the next thing for me to do is to select network and internet. I'm going to select network and internet. So next I'm going to click on network and internet. So the next now will be doing is to click on network and sharing center. I'm going to click here on network and sharing center. So the next thing to do is to click here on change adapter settings. I'm going to click here on change adapter settings. And the next thing to do is to click the Wi-Fi network to which you are connected. And this is the Wi-Fi network I'm connected. I'm going to click here on this. And the next thing to do is to right click on this view status of connection. I'm going to right click here. So you can see this popping up right here. So this is the name of the Wi-Fi I'm connected to, Esket. So you have to do this for every website you use, every Wi-Fi you use. I'm going to go ahead to click here on change settings of this connection. So let me drag this here to the middle. So what you have to do here is to select the internet protocol version. That's this one here. So you can see it here, the one of IPv4, so the version 4. So what you have to do is to click here on this and click here on your properties. So you're going to have this screen popping up. Next thing to do is use the following DNS server address. So I'm going to click here on use the following DNS server address. I'm manually imputing one, and you cannot go ahead to get the ad blocker one. This is the DNS you have to type in. I'm going to click here on 94, go to the other place, dot 150, or you can actually use 140 instead. So 94.140, and go to the other side and type 14, then last side 14. So this is what you're going to use. You can use, and you can decide to click on your alternate DNS server again. That's 94.140 dot 15, then 15. I'm going to click here on OK. So once I click here on OK, I should have my ad server working here. I'm going to go to my internet protocol 6. I'm going to double tap here on this. I'm going to use the following DNS server. So then I'm going to put here on my default server here. That's my preferred one, 2A10. Then I'm going to put my colon sign here, shift colon. Then I'm going to put 50 CO. Then I'm going to put double of this address. I'm going to put AD. Then put shift. Then put FF. So I'm going to copy this. So let me just copy this. Control A, Control C, copy. I'm going to come to the alternate and press here on Control V. Then you have to do is to edit this into ADT to AD2, then leave it like this. So what you have to do here is to click here on OK. Then what you have to do is click here on install. Then once you're done installing, so you're just going to click on so I'm just going to cancel this here. I'm going to click on cancel, then click on close. Then you should have everything working well. So after doing this process, you'll notice that all ads on your device or your Windows device will be closed. So to change or to reverse this action back, just click here on your change settings of this connection and go to each of them and click on the properties and try to put them back on the obtain DNS server automatically. Come right here to the next one. Whereas this, I'm going to click here on obtain DLS server automatically. So this is how to reverse the change. So if you want to block it, do the initial step and you're going to get this stuff done. So then you close this and you close this and you've gotten everything you wanted. So if you found this video useful, share this video to people that will also need it. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.